Relax your mind and let your conscience be free. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. You just saw footage of me putting this tape down. This is rough surface tape. I use it to do my concrete resurfacing jobs. I say that like I do this a lot. I only do it for my concrete steps in the front, but this is so that the concrete won't cake up on the brick. Last year I had some difficulty doing this. I used some stuff professionals and guys who are used to doing this use, and it dried too fast. And I went through HELL. Now the topping bond there is good for beginners. Trust me. Top step is done. You know, guys, even though I had a bit of trouble last year putting this stuff down, that was good because I learned. Now it's not that bad at all. All right, you see that blue puddle behind me? That's bonding agent. Don't panic when you see it change colors like that. It's okay. Anyway, I poured the bonding agent on the concrete, on the existing concrete. Then I used a broom to spread it. I'm doing this so that the concrete resurfacer can bond well with the existing concrete. So now I'm just spreading the mix I made. Simple, guys. Well, it can be hard for beginners, especially if you use the wrong resurfacer. And again, I use some resurfacer that I think experts use. So this top and bond is best for guys who haven't done this too much. Keep that in mind. As a reminder, when you're mixing the concrete, you want it to be like syrup in this case, okay? You don't want it to go down dry or else it won't turn out right, okay? And this is how you can tell you need to add more water. If you start seeing too many small lumps as you're spreading it, especially with a small broom, that lets you know. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.